Welcome back to Silicophilic. I have been using Windows 11 for meetings, recordings, and gaming, and one thing kept bugging me. My microphone volume was way too low. Friends on Discord said I sounded distant, and Teams meetings felt like I was whispering. The first thing I tried was a reset of the microphone settings, and that cleared out the custom tweaks and put the mic back to default. That alone gave me a noticeable boost. However, there are other fixes you can try if you face the same issue. Let's get started. First, make sure Windows is using the correct microphone. Before increasing the volume, the first thing you need to check is whether Windows is actually using the correct input device. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Now go to the System, then Sound. Under the Input section, check which microphone is deleted. If you have multiple microphones connected, like a laptop microphone, webcam microphone, or external microphone, make sure the one you want to use is selected. Increase microphone volume from Sound Settings. To increase the microphone volume, go to Sound Settings from System, now scroll down and open More Sound Settings. This will open the classic Windows sound control panel. Switch to the Recording tab. Here you will see all available microphones. First, make sure the microphone you want to use is enabled. If it is disabled, right-click on it and select Enable. Now select your microphone and click Properties. Inside Microphone Properties, switch to the Levels tab. Here you will find the microphone volume slider. Increase the slider until you get the volume level you need. Tweak listen settings for microphone. If your microphone has power saving issues, especially on laptops, this setting can help. Open your microphone properties, then Listen tab. Make sure continue running when on battery power is enabled. Save the changes. This prevents Windows from stopping microphone monitoring when your laptop is running on battery. Turn off audio enhancement issues. Sometimes Windows audio enhancements can actually reduce microphone quality. Go back to Settings, then System, then Sound. Select your microphone. Look for audio enhancements. Try switching it off and test your microphone again. On some devices, disabling enhancements improves clarity and volume. Check microphone privacy settings. Another common reason for low microphone volume is Windows blocking proper microphone access. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Make sure microphone access is enabled. Also make sure the apps you're using have permission to access your microphone. Update or reinstall microphone drivers. If your microphone volume suddenly became low after a Windows update, the driver could be the problem. Open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your microphone. Try Update Driver. If that doesn't help, choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the microphone driver. Use Windows Troubleshooter. If none of the methods work, let Windows check the problem automatically. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Run the audio troubleshooters. Windows will scan for common microphone configuration problems and try to fix them. So these are the different ways to increase microphone volume in Windows 11. Start with the built-in Windows settings first, then move to driver fixes or advanced audio tools if needed. I hope this guide helped you fix your low microphone volume issue. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.